na-develop na silang master plan.
That's right.
Wala na nangyari.
That's right. Marami kaming reforma na naisagawa nung panahon ni Pinoy. At marami dun sa mga reformang naumpisahan, sa halip na ituloy, ay binago. Ganun din ang nangyari sa school building program. Dati, nung panahon ni Pinoy, it was a combination of PPP as well as matching with the national and local governments. Siguro napakinggan nyo yung deliberations sa Senate Basic Education hearing na zero backlog actually nung panahon ni Pinoy because of these interventions. In fact, tinanong ko doon sa Public Works Undersecretary, if it was working, why was it shelved? Bakit binago? At sino ang nagpasya? Sabi niya hindi niya alam, pero 2018 binago yung sistema at binalik sa DPWH. So from a point wherein under Pinoy's terms, 600 classrooms were being built every week. By the time natapos yung 2016, zero ang backlog. Nagawa noon, sabi ko nga, dapat isa batas na yun. Kasi naging patakaran lang nung DBM, DepEd, at Public Works by way of an executive order, tsaka PPP. In fact, bultuhan. They allowed the AAA contractors to bid for 1,500 school buildings, maramihan, para yung cost may economies of scale at that's why na-achieve na 600 classrooms were completed every week because they were able to build a total of around about 30,000 plus in 3 years' time. So talagang makikita mo, it was working. Ganun din sa NFA nung panahon ko. We were able to bring down rice prices as much as 3 pesos a kilo dahil nagkaroon ng transparent, open public bidding ng importation at hinabol talaga natin yung mga traders na nagsasamantala. Kinumpiska natin ang daang-daang milyong pisong halaga ng hoarded na bigas na for the first time sa history ng NFA noon, yung government purchases ng ating rice ay nagkaroon ng failed bidding for being overpriced. Matapos ng termino ni Pinoy, binaliktad lahat yun. No? At hindi tinuloy yung mga bagong patakaran. So sa flood control, sa school building program, sa rice procurement, agri, public works, DepEd, sayang. No? So balikan lang natin, ano ba yung nagawang tama nun at ibalik itong ganitong mga programa. Balikan yung master plan.
Bukod sa mga flood control projects, may mga irrigation system din na mga hindi